What's going on, guys? It's Crazy Gamer here. Today I'll be showing you how to trick your friends into thinking that you have a lot of subscribers. So as you can see, I've only got 12 subscribers. I'm pretty bummed out about that. But if I highlight it and then right click it and press inspect, you'll see this happens. And if I double click on this, I can delete that 12 and change it to 12K. Capital. And now you'll see I have 12K subscribers. 12,000 subscribers. Now I can change this up a little bit, and then I can change the subscribers to crazy people. Now there are 12,000 crazy people. Now if I change this again to, let's say, 101 million subscribers, then, oh my goodness, I've got as many subscribers as PewDiePie. I can change this up a little bit and go, no, let's just go to 52.5 billion. Guys, I have the most subscribers on Earth. Now, this cool trick can be used anywhere online. I can go here and change my name to, I'm going to change my name to PewDiePie. And I'm going to change that back to 101 million subscribers. And I could get PewDiePie's profile picture, and then I could just trick my friend and tell him, look, I'm signed in as PewDiePie, guys. And then they're gonna go like, what? And I can change this text over here. Over here, I can change it to wait, where is it? Okay, I guess I can't do that, but I can change this to a whole month ago. Okay. I can change this to best channel ever. Channel. Like, channel ever. And no, I can't change the name because it needs to have this icon on your mouse. So if you want to change it, but you can only do it online. But whoa, but I can change this to 1.5 million comments. Boom, guys! I've got 1.5 million. I didn't say billion comments, and I've got inspect 101 billion subscribers, and I logged in as PewDiePie, but I haven't got this icon. Wait, what happens if I just hi? Do you want to say I'm PewDiePie? No, I was gonna say I'm Crazy Gamer Plays. But today's shout outs are Magpie. Doesn't have as many subscribers as me. I've got 101 million. Boom. Interstellar Games and Shandycraft. I don't have audio on, but this music sounds terrible. Okay, Interstellar Games and Shandycraft. So subscribe to them and help them out with their channels. And subscribe to me. Subscribe to this guy. I'm just gonna go get my friend. Okay, I've got my friend here, Cuckoo Creeper. Okay, check out this. Wait a minute. Shh. Check out that. How are you logged into PewDiePie's account? Because I'm awesome.
Okay, check out my channel. It is Cuckoo Creeper here, and I've got millions of other channels.
No, you don't.
I don't even have my channel yet.
Don't look at that.
My
don't
channel's
look at
bigger
that.
than his.
Don't look at that. Don't look at anything.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
What are you doing? What was that? Was it?
Where did it go? It's not gonna work.
Oh.
I just signed in as PewDiePie.
How did you do this?
PewDiePie.
How did you do this?
Well, okay, bye. Wait, where is this? Bye.
Bye, guys.
Oh, we tricked him. But he was a bit suspicious when it said 12 subscribers here, so I'm just gonna... So each time you change this, it's gonna go back to its default amount of subscribers. But I can change this guy who's only got 11 subscribers to... I can change his subscriber count to, let's say, 15,000. 15.5 thousand. 15.5 subscribers. No, that means he's got half a subscriber. Okay. Okay, so check out his channel and actually get him to this amount of subscribers. No, get me to that amount of subscribers. I really want 1,000 subscribers. I'll do a special video if I get 1,000. Well, that's it for this video. Bye, guys.